Hello everyone!
Hi!
Guess where
Welcome
we are?
Back at the boat show.
First day at the boat show, it's Wednesday.
Yeah.
We're inside of BC Place, the big stadium.
Yeah, it's still pretty quiet, but it's gonna start getting busier, and yeah, we're excited, and yeah, come along with us.
And you might be wondering, where are you guys? Well, we are on a big power boat.
Welcome to another episode of Sailing PYTISS. We are heading to the 2024 annual Vancouver Boat Show, basically a place where boaters get to geek about all things boating. We also attended the 2023 show, but back then we were just getting started. And now that we have our own boat, it makes it all much more interesting. And this time, we get to share it with you.
We have arrived. We made it. Just need to get inside and then we'll catch up with you again.
Inside were a massive collection of different booths, from fishing equipment to sailmakers to different gadgets one might need for their boat. Basically anything boating you could think of, you could find here. A very dangerous place to be. You could also find all sorts of different power boats, from stylish day boaters to massive power boats inside. And even though we're all about sailing, some of these boats were for sure very impressive. This boat in particular was priced for the small price of $2.6 million. But, I mean, I get it.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
The sailboats were not at BC Place, but because of their tall masts, they were outside at Granville Island. And we had the opportunity to tour some of these beauties, from 40-foot Dufours to Catalinas, in our other video, which we will link in the description for you. Make sure to check them out if you like sailboat tours.
We found the dinghy section. So, usually, if you have a sailboat, you need a dinghy. So we're checking out the dinghies.
One thing that we absolutely need for our boat right now is an outboard engine for our dinghy, because right now we basically only have paddles for it. And since we want to aim for sustainability, we were curious what electric outboard engines were out there and which one is the best, which is what we will go over in this video.
Like I said, if you go fast, it'll throw water.
The first engine we checked out was the Torqeedo Travel 1103C. It cost about 3,500 Canadian dollars at the show. Torqeedo was founded in Germany in 2005 and just in January 2024 was actually acquired by Yamaha. So that makes Yamaha now a really big player in the electric engine market.
14 hours, 13 hours, keep going a little higher. There you're at 4 hours or 6 hours and 15 minutes.
Oh wow.
So yeah, it's really neat.
That's neat that it tells you how long
It's accurate within about 3 to 5 minutes.
That's
and it
amazing.
tells you like the direction.
This will tell you your speed over ground. This tells how many watts you're using.
Oh, watts.
And then this is your battery percentage. So we've been running this since 10 a.m. We're still at 92%.
That's
Yeah. And then this is a bag for the battery. And then here's the chargers in here too.
Nice.
We do have a 12 24 volt charger.
How heavy is the battery? Oh, okay. So that's the smart.
That's pretty easy. And here you can look, come on around back here and look at the motor. You're good. You can just hold it up here. That's what I said. Is you don't have to brace yourself.
It's light?
22 pounds.
That's amazing.
Feel like sheetrock.
Next up, we checked out the electric outboard from E-Propulsion.
Just go ahead and press that button, power button. Press and hold. Sorry, press and hold.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
So right now it says 10 hours. So
That's it. That's right. Put that in there. And now just very gently turn it towards you just a little bit.
Towards me?
Yeah, this way. Yeah. Go the other way. So little bits of adjustment. A lot of thrust. So you're at about 10% there. If you were to go to full throttle in this bucket, which we haven't done because we're not sure about the strength of that case, right? But
and then the other one.
yeah, the other way was the reverse. Go ahead, go easy.
The model we saw on the show floor was the Spirit 1.0 Plus. It comes in at about $3,800, so a little bit more expensive than the Torqeedo. E-Propulsion was founded in 2012 and is based out of China. They have won numerous awards and are providing the electric propulsion for the Sail GP racing series.
So once again, trolling speed right about there. If you leave it there for a bit, you're going to get a readout up here. It's going to tell you how much time you have left remaining. So once you leave it in a position and just let it sit there, you're getting your readout.
Yep, still
It starts to tell you what your hours are.
Yeah. And what's the 100? Oh, 100.
What's the comparable to
The Mercury Avatar engine. Yes, it's 7.5% that it has the battery.
Yeah, so this is the Mercury Avatar, it's called. Yeah. So the battery is built in. The battery is housed inside the unit itself. So that slides out, you push the button, the battery slides out. The battery alone weighs 16 pounds. The unit overall weighs 59 pounds. So once you remove the battery, you're down to about 43 pounds. So very lightweight, compact, and it's designed to be carried, just like the gal on the poster right there is carried.
Oh, okay.
So it also has a display on the screen as well. So that shows 90% remaining.
Nice.
These have a built-in
This is a
GPS.
nice screen.
These have a built-in GPS, so it'll give you speed over water as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
Is it okay if I...
yeah, go for it. Just don't turn it into the side. I mean, run times up to about 16, 18 hours a day. And then if you go, a half throttle, you're about 6 hours. Another cool feature too is that if you want to leave the bracket on, you pull that, you leave the transom bracket on, so that reduces another 5 pounds. You pull it over on there.
And do any of these come with a backpack? I just want them to have like a backpack.
We do have a backpack. So we have a lot of accessories. We have a carry case there, and we also have a backpack that will house your battery and your laptop and whatever else. Keep your charger in it as well. So yeah, that's where we come with a 3-year factory warranty, and the battery comes with a 2-year warranty. So any issues, you can go to your Mercury authorized service center, which is all over the world, and yeah.
And that's the nice thing is that you can just get service if something breaks.
100%. Yeah, we have parts all over the place as well. So any Mercury dealer can help you.
What was the price?
They start around $5,000.
$5,000.
Yeah, that's your motor, battery, and charger all together.
Motor, battery, charger.
Yeah, 20E is equivalent to like a 5-6 horsepower. A 35E is equivalent to about 8 horsepower. The battery for those are right on the bottom over there. You do, yeah. So it's an external battery with harnessing, and there's also a power supply that's required.
And how much would it be with the battery?
The batteries are about $2,300 each. The power center is $850. So you need to run at least 2 batteries. So you're about a $5,000 bill for your batteries and your power center.
Okay,
For the larger ones. This one comes with the battery built in. Yeah. No problem, guys.
So which one would we pick? Would we pick the Torqeedo Travel 1103C? It's super light at 17 kilos for $3,500. The E-Propulsion Spirit or the Mercury Avatar. The Avatar is way too heavy for us, so it really comes down to the best price and performance between the Torqeedo and E-Propulsion. Are you using either of these? Let us know in the comments down below which one do you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked our videos, please subscribe to see everything that we release every week. This concludes our series of the Vancouver Boat Show. If you haven't seen our boat tours, we'll link them in the description below. And check out our playlist for all of Season 1. And we also think you might like this video. See you next week. Bye.